Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are taking a look at the 2025 Oppo A18, a budget-friendly smartphone that promises solid performance, a stylish design, and reliable battery life. If you are looking for an affordable daily driver, this might just be the perfect option. Starting with the design, the Oppo A18 keeps things sleek and modern. It features a smooth plastic back with a matte finish, giving it a premium feel while also resisting fingerprints. The device comes in a range of vibrant colors, making it a stylish choice for those who like a bit of flair. The slim profile and lightweight build make it comfortable to hold for extended periods, and the side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures quick and secure access. The front of the device sports a bright and immersive display. It features a 6.56-inch HD+ LCD panel that delivers decent color accuracy and good brightness levels. While it may not be an OLED display, the visuals remain crisp enough for everyday use, whether you are scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing casual games. The thin bezels around the screen give it a modern look, though there is still a small notch at the top for the front camera. Under the hood, the Oppo A18 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. Paired with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, this phone can manage multitasking, app usage, and moderate gaming without much trouble. While it is not a powerhouse for heavy gaming, it still provides a smooth experience for regular users. Storage can also be expanded via a micro SD card slot, allowing for extra space when needed. One of the key highlights of the Oppo A18 is its battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, this phone is built to last through an entire day of usage without breaking a sweat. Whether you are streaming, browsing, or making calls, the efficient power management ensures you won't be reaching for a charger too often. It supports standard 18W fast charging, meaning you can top up the battery fairly quickly when needed. For cameras, the Oppo A18 comes with a dual lens setup on the back. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel shooter, designed to capture detailed and vibrant photos in good lighting conditions. The secondary sensor is a 2-megapixel depth sensor that helps with portrait shots, adding a nice background blur effect. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera that does a decent job for video calls and social media selfies. While it won't compete with flagship devices, the camera setup is respectable for its price range. On the software side, the Oppo A18 runs ColorOS 14 based on Android 14. The UI is clean and offers useful features such as customizable themes, smart gestures, and a dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. Bloatware is minimal, which is a plus, and the overall software experience remains smooth and intuitive. In conclusion, the Oppo A18 is a solid budget smartphone that delivers good performance, an attractive design, and an excellent battery life. While it does not bring any groundbreaking features, it covers all the essentials for a reliable daily device. If you are looking for an affordable phone that does the job without breaking the bank, the Oppo A18 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Here's your script for the Oppo A18 video. Let me know if you need any changes or additions.